In this life, men are either building empires or digging their graves with excuses. The road to wealth is not paved with comfort. It is forged in fire, the fire of sacrifice, grit, rejection, and relentless discipline. If you want to get rich or die trying, you must abandon the delusions of modern softness. No one is coming to save you. The world does not reward the kind-hearted man who waits. It rewards the one who takes, the one who bleeds, learns, adapts, and rises again, like a lion emerging from the ashes of his own pain. This is not for the weak-hearted. This is for the man who looks in the mirror and says, "I will build or I will die building." Let us begin. 1. Learn ruthless self-education. Most men are mentally broke long before they're financially broke. You think a degree makes you valuable? The world doesn't care. A man who teaches himself, who reads, who studies markets, who understands human behavior, negotiation, investing, discipline, that man becomes dangerous. You must treat your mind like a forge. Every book, every late-night learning, every skill you master is another weapon in your arsenal. Imagine your brain as a blacksmith's hammer. The harder you strike it with truth, the sharper it becomes. If you don't know money, money will punish you. If you don't understand the game, you're the pawn. Become the player. 2. Monetize relentlessly. Stop doing things that don't pay you. Stop wasting time scrolling, chatting, numbing your mind in pleasure. Find your skill, or build one, and sell it. Sell your time, sell your hands, sell your brain. But always understand this. Money is attracted to results, not potential. If you can solve problems, people will throw their coins at your feet. Think of the marketplace like an ancient arena. You either bring value, like a warrior who slays dragons, or you're the entertainment who dies for sport. Harsh? Yes, but reality is not gentle. Build something that pays you in your sleep, or work until you die for someone who did. 3. Cut off everything that doesn't build. This is where most men fail. They know what they need to do, but they stay around people who don't. Friends who party, girlfriends who distract, families who drain. You must become ruthless with your energy. Think of your life like a ship. Every passenger, every habit, every environment is either rowing with you or drilling holes beneath you. You must cut the ropes to dead weight. Otherwise, you drown with them, and this is the part that hurts. Yes, it's lonely. Yes, it's cold. But this is the cost of greatness. You are not here to fit in. You are here to rise above. Like this message? Like the video and subscribe to my channel Wired Stoic on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok to be reminded of becoming more stoic, masculine, and successful every single day. 4. Build relentless discipline like a Roman general. Discipline is the daily sword you must sharpen. Motivation dies. Feelings fade. You will feel tired, uninspired, hopeless at times. But you move anyway, because the mission does not care about your feelings. Visualize a Roman general marching across lands, bleeding from wounds, but never stopping, because the empire must expand. That is you. Wake up, train, work, repeat. Not because you like it, but because it needs to be done. You become rich not by doing what's easy, but by becoming the man who does what 99% avoid. No one will follow a weak man, and no one pays a man who quits. 5. Burn the ships. Leave no option but victory. Comfort is the enemy of wealth. If you always have a plan B, you'll never go all in on plan A. You must burn the ships. No fallback, no retreat. You either make it happen or you die trying. This is where legends are born. When your back is against the wall and you have nothing but your mind, your will, and your soul, you will discover power inside of you that would terrify your former self. Imagine an ancient army landing on enemy shores. The commander burns every boat behind them. Why? So they fight with the spirit of men who have no escape. That is how you must attack life. That is how you get rich, or die a warrior in the process. Wealth is not money. It is power, freedom, and control. But it demands everything from you. Your comfort, your illusions, your vices, your weakness. You want to be rich? Then bleed, cry alone, train, learn, fight, fail, and rise again. The man who builds his empire through fire will never be owned again. That man, that warrior, is you. Now go, get rich, or die trying, but never die with regret.